Meaning of desperately.
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 Desperately. Desperately means to be in a state of extreme need or urgency, where the outcome of a situation hinges on a particular action being taken urgently. It implies a sense of anxiety and desperation that is urgent and pressing. The result of acting desperately can vary depending on the situation. In some cases, it can lead to successful outcomes, while in others, it can create more problems and exacerbate existing issues. Therefore, it's important to carefully consider the consequences before acting in a desperate manner.